Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. Today we will be talking about the Ketu ingress in Jyeshtha Nakshatra and the mutation in coronavirus. Let me read out the article, what I have written. As corona mutates, as predicted, the world may stumble again, especially till Ketu in Jyeshtha star till 10th of May 2021. Ketu in the Jyeshtha star is most enigmatic. Ketu in Jyeshtha star is most enigmatic as predicted 8 months back. Although the Ketu in the star of Saturn is also not good in Anuradha, but much better than Jyeshtha star, since Jyeshtha star is Adhomukh, facing downwards, and is ferocious and bitter. Anuradha is a straight looking and gentle star. Hence, primarily till Ketu in Jyeshtha star is most venomous in the immediate and present future. Comparing with coronavirus with Spanish flu, it may totally disappear only when Rahu goes in Aries and Ketu in Libra, and there is star exchange between the two. As predicted 8 months back, the Ketu, the disease Karka in Jyeshtha star, may prove most venomous for the mutation of the coronavirus as predicted, or maybe a new virus. The North Node Rahu in adverse motion from the 7th to 11th and then gripping all the planets till 15th April, and Ketu in Jyeshtha star may prove most enigmatic till the 10th May 2021, as can be seen from the planetary positions. My predictions on the vaccines and the virus seems to be proving spot on. Read my n number of articles written after the 17th September 2019 when there was no coronavirus, and I had predicted that the virus will come from China and will spread all over the world. Now the planets, since the planets are gripped between Rahu and Ketu, all the planets are gripped between Rahu and Ketu, and Aroha Kalsap Yoga is being formed. It is most enigmatic, not only for coronavirus but all other activities, and it is also parallel, absolutely parallel after the coronavirus spread, after the solar eclipse of the 26th December 2019. All the planets were gripped in Rahu and Ketu axis, and the planets, the Aroha Kalsap Yoga was broke somewhere in the month of July and September, and only after that there was little relief, but due to other planetary combinations the coronavirus sprouted again. But primarily speaking, till the planets are gripped in the Rahu Ketu axis till the 15th April 2021 and Ketu in Jyeshtha Nakshatra till 10th May 2021, I do not see any respite from the coronavirus and any other virus for that purpose. Maybe it is a bird's flu, maybe it is a mutation of the coronavirus. All I see that till 10th May 2021 we will not get any relief. As I have also already mentioned that Ketu in Anuradha Nakshatra after that is not good. Malefic. Ketu in the malefic star is not good, but the Anuradha star is a gentle star and is a forward facing, is not that bad as Jyeshtha star, which is ferocious, bitter and Adhomukh. Now comparing it with the Spanish flu, as I've already told you, that it disappeared when Rahu and Ketu joined the Aries and Libra Navamsha, Libra axis. Now similarly, when Rahu and Ketu joined the Libra and Aries axis on the 8th February 2023, and when there will be a star exchange between the two, only then we will see the coronavirus disappearing. So this is all I just wanted to say, that the world is now gripped between all the planets have been gripped, and the world will suffer because of the virus diseases, etc. Because Ketu is in the just star. So thank you very much for listening to me, and bye bye.